All right, it's 8:48 p.m. I am going to crash out and go to bed. Why? Well, because I have to get up early. How early? Pretty damn early. 2 a.m. 2 a.m. That's a fairly ridiculous start time, but being winter here, the start time where the workshop is being held in California, it's 9 a.m. And so if I can get to bed and get 5 hours of sleep, and then normally they go for about 4 hours and then have a break for an hour, and I crash out and then do another 4 hours. And this is some heavy duty stuff. Like, this is a commitment. It's not so easy. It hurts to get up at that time. I've done it before. It's cold. It's dark. The fire is hopefully going to be on. It does help to have a fire in the house, just so it feels a little bit cozy. But the skill sets that are coming through are valuable to deal with the challenges that we are facing in the medical profession. I was chatting with my brother-in-law today, and he was speaking of AI. He's building AI, or at least the idea of AI, and it's essentially taking a buyer's agent for property and making it into AI. And he's like, you know what? This could be massive. That AI essentially takes over many of our jobs. And we spoke the other day about potential for AI to do a better job in medicine. And so with this unknown factor, because it could be just another crypto, could be a whole bunch of hype, but it just isn't accurate enough, or it does not have enough awareness of when it's making a mistake and it just keeps making stuff up that it's not useful. In which case, great, happy days, no big deal. But just in case the AI does get good enough to be better than us, better than you, better than me at medicine, then we've got a problem. Now, I don't have as much value to the marketplace anymore. I'm not like, why would you come and see a doctor if you can have the AI do the work better? And so this is a challenge. Then it becomes like, well, what do we have? And hopefully, I mean, if AI goes really well, then we're all going to have a whole lot more spare time. And it's like, okay, well, what am I here for? These bigger questions open up. Why am I here? What's my purpose here? And these types of questions is why I'm getting up at 2 a.m. to answer that. Because if I can find the answer to that for my life, and I can have the skill sets to guide you, that even if AI takes over medicine, still going to have people wanting to try and interpret the world. I mean, it's been an essential question. It's like, well, why am I here? Why am I having this experience of life? And so getting up at 2 a.m., it sucks. Like, make no mistake, it sucks. And I wish that it was in Australia, but it's not. It's in California. I don't want to fly there. I can fly there, but it's also hard on the body. Like, that's the worst. I don't know whether you've flown to California lately, but from the east coast of Australia to the west coast of America is one of the worst jet lag hangover thingies. It's horrific. It's not much fun, but it can be done. But still going to get up. Be there present for it so that I can absorb it. Now, do they record it? They do. They do record it, but it takes like 2 weeks to produce. And so I want access now. I want to go through it first pass, not only so that I get it done, because if I get up at 2 a.m. and sit there and take the course, then it gets done, which is pretty cool. But it also allows me to start practicing little bits and pieces with my patients as they're going through their consultation, inserting some of these skill sets. So I'm curious how it's going to go. But it is a significant test of discipline. But one of the key things is getting to bed on time. So I'm going to hit the hay pretty soon. I should be in bed 9 p.m. That gets me 5 hours, and then another hour tomorrow, 6 hours, and then have a nap during the day. This thing's for 4 days, so I may be looking a little tired over the next couple of video lives. But hopefully get some major insights. I'm excited for it, and that you may also benefit from this. We're going to bring it through into the Clinical Certainty program, and if that's something that interests you, then head over to GraduateMedicine.com and click on the button for clinical certainty. All right, that's all I got for you. I'm going to go brush my teeth, get in my PJs, get into bed, keep the fire warm, and get ready for an early start tomorrow morning. Look forward to seeing you on our next content from here at Graduate Medicine. Have a great evening. See you very soon.